Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in tech and gadgets. Today, we're reviewing the best Nimbot Label Maker, the NIIMBOT B21 Label Maker machine. Whether you're looking to organize your home, office, or business, this little device will help you do it all with ease and efficiency. The NIIMBOT B21 is a portable label maker that connects via Bluetooth, so it's compatible with both Android and iOS devices. It's also equipped with a USB cable connection for your PC, though keep in mind it's not compatible with iPads. With a built-in rechargeable battery, it offers an impressive 4 hours of charging time, which lasts up to 2 weeks of use, making it highly convenient for all your labeling needs. One of the standout features of the B21 is its versatility in printing sizes. It supports label sticker widths from 0.8 inches to 2 inches, and it can print labels as large as 50 mm by 170 mm. It's perfect for a range of uses, from organizing your home and office to helping with product labeling for small businesses. Whether you're printing barcodes, addresses, or personalized stickers, this label maker can handle it all. What makes this label maker even more unique is the thermal printing technology. No need for ink cartridges, the thermal printing process is efficient, cost-effective, and mess-free. The NIIMBOT app offers over 30 fonts, 100-plus borders, and more than 1,500 symbols, so you can create custom labels for any occasion. It even features automatic label size recognition and batch printing for added convenience. Its design is compact and sleek, crafted from high-quality ABS material with a retro touch. The device is lightweight, measuring just 5 inches by 3.7 inches, and weighs only 0.66 pounds, making it perfect for portable use. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, you can easily carry it with you. This label maker is an ideal gift for various occasions, including holidays like Christmas, Thanksgiving, and Valentine's Day. It's a practical tool for anyone who needs a quick, easy, and efficient way to organize their space or business. The B21 is also backed by excellent customer service, with an 18-month warranty to ensure peace of mind. If you ever run into any issues, the support team is ready to help with repairs or replacements. In conclusion, the NIIMBOT B21 Label Maker is a fantastic tool for anyone looking for a portable, efficient, and feature-packed label maker. Whether you're organizing your home, labeling products for your business, or creating custom stickers for fun, this label maker will meet your needs and exceed your expectations. Be sure to check it out if you want to take your labeling to the next level. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.